shitcoin.com.
Hello shitcoiners, welcome back to the show. This week we have a whole lot of simping, some big moves from the big dogs, fashion and memes. There's a lot going on, and if you didn't notice, we saw a bit of a market downturn today, so there's a real shitstorm in progress. Let's dig in. The simping is what you're probably here for though, right? So Irene DAO, that's been doing the rounds on crypto Twitter. Simps are all over this shit. Logan Paul even picked up 20. All may not be as it seems though. Kind of turns out that this Irene DAO thing may actually be controlled by a dude. Here's a couple of interesting tweets that run through that. So the word on the street is that Beanie is the guy behind the project. Here's some of the aftermath. In a fun twist, one Indonesian student who sold over $1 million worth of photos of himself on OpenSea, he's been propositioned for a meetup. Gozalu? I'm guessing that's how you say it. He's definitely open to it. Good morning. Some of the women of crypto that you all know were not going to be capitalizing on this new economic model though. There will always be simps waiting for you though if you change your mind.
Irene, 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 I'm begging, darling, please don't take my E's. Irene, 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 I'm still holding in disbelief. Your simps are beyond compare. Your NFTs, they look so rare, and you just have it all, don't you, Irene?
To Up Only TV next, they had Vitalicon. Check out the link below for the full video, but here is one of our favorite clips from the episode.
I have two questions. They're about these two pictures. So one is, what was the origin of Fitalic, and do you ever see yourself, beefing up in the future? And two was, I need to know for the italic Vitalik, were you leaning or was it the camera rotation? I don't know which.
I guess I wonder, well, first, can I ask, since FTX is apparently a sponsor, is FTX stand for Vitalik Exchange?
Yes, the answer is yes.
Okay, amazing.
Some big moves from the industry. FTX, they're planning a $60 million FTX campus. That's pretty big. Speaking of big business, Walmart are kind of falling way behind as always. They are going to be launching a token and allow you to buy NFTs, or maybe to create NFTs. I don't know what they're trying to do, but anyway, seems like a boomer move to me. Niraj though, he'll be first in line for a job. Meta, the company behind Facebook, they're trying to get in on the action too. Supposedly you're going to be able to buy and sell NFTs via Facebook and Instagram. We wonder how long that'll take to roll out and if it will be good or really shit. So Meta, they have a market cap around 50 times larger than El Salvador's GDP. But it's great to see a nation state downgrading debt with Bitcoin trades. We're happy that that trading on the phone is paying off for Naive. If you think that El Salvador are going to make it, here's a bunch of crypto individuals who maybe are not gonna make it. We think they probably should have just spent that money on one of these bags from Fleri Ledger. We kind of think this is a bit pointless too, though. I don't know. If you were a criminal, you're probably going to look at someone with this bag and be like, well, okay, I take the bag and also get the hardware wallet, even if you can't get into it. Pretty bad OPSEC there. If you were to want one of those Fendi bags, you're wondering how to accumulate wealth. Well, guys, it's very simple.
Making millions of dollars in crypto is not rocket science. Buy early on the right projects and sell near the all-time high. That's it. Like and follow if you want to make some money in crypto this year.
KSI, however, he'd probably tell you it's not that simple. This industry is scam city. It is worrying that someone with 26 BTC sitting around would fall for a Mike or Sailor giveaway scam. These things are pretty rife at the moment. Matty, he would never fall for such a thing. We finish up with a couple of shameless plugs. First up, our sponsor, Sideshift AI. They had an insane day for the APY the other day. Check them out and stake some XAI. And remember, guys, the rules of Crypto Club are as follows. You buy more, then you take profit on the dip. We're only joking. We're all going to make it. Don't worry. See you next week.